Welcome. Hello. We're going to be making butter in my butter yellow dress with my butter yellow bowl and my butter yellow boy. A little nervous. I don't know why. A little nervous. This should be a pretty fun stream. It's starting off kind of crazy, kind of with a bang. I have sourdough in the oven. So we're going to do a little sourdough bread reveal and then we're going to make some butters. And yes, I said butters because not only am I making like the standard butter, like butter from scratch today, I'm also going to be making a couple of compound butters, which I think will go really, really well with some fresh sourdough. Oh, hello, Mr. Boy, the butter boy himself. Let me get you situated. Little pal. Come here. Oh. Go, go, go. Mr. Butter. Okay, you're gonna sit over here. Timer off so we don't get a little bit of a panic attack later. Oh, she looks gorgeous. You stay back. I feel like it's so dangerous to have him in here. I don't know why in my brain I feel like he's gonna just hop in. All right. Excuse me, buddy. No, you can't touch the hot pan. No. No. Does this not look like a perfect loaf? It looks exactly like him. What do you mean? They're making some butter. You better believe it. Okay, so sadly we won't be able to cut into this just yet, but that's okay because we have some butter to make. How are we gonna make butter, Mr. Boy? We are gonna we're gonna mix it. I'm not gonna churn it. I'm also not gonna do the shaking thing for a bunch of reasons, but mostly because I don't want to do that. We're gonna be making butter in my butter yellow dress with my butter yellow bowl and my butter yellow boy. So, if you guys don't know, and I'm talking as if I'm a pro, I've never done this before. I can't believe it's butter. Me neither. Well, I'll believe it when I see it, you know. Butter is made from heavy cream, something with lots of fat in it, and like him. Sorry. And you just whip it until it separates. First ingredient, heavy whipping cream. Yeah, yep. So I just don't think that you can be here is the problem. I wish I could get him to work. Okay, time to go, pal. I'm sorry. Okay, I actually just remembered I have to kind of work fast here because you're supposed to use cold whipping cream for this in order for it to separate properly. Okay, this is a quart. I have no idea if this bowl is big enough. I don't know. I don't know how much butter it's supposed to make me, but I do know we gotta start churning, right? Jeez. Ooh, this is thick. This is a lot. This is thicker than I had imagined. I thought it was going to be more like milk, but I guess that's the fat in it. I guess we better get to whipping. Hopefully this is really satisfying. Yeah. Oh gosh. Okay. It's starting to like go places. Okay, I feel like we're getting somewhere. And I feel like me going in circles is helping as well. Oh my gosh, there's grease all over my floor. Oh my arm hurts. Ooh, I love this texture. One thing I do know about cooking is they call this a stiff cake. What? Oh yeah. Well, that's a stiff cake. When it like curls over like a Dairy Queen soft serve. Or maybe that's a soft cake. Either way, we're getting. I can't eat that. Well, this has no sugar or vanilla or even salt in it. It would just be cream. My arm hurts. Wipe the sides down. This is thick. This is very thick. Oh. Oh. Wow, this is awesome. Take a spoonful. Should I eat it? Is that what you're suggesting? I'll try it. You know what? It tastes like butter. I don't know why I'm surprised by that. It cannot be good. Well, fun fact about me that nobody asked for. When I was a kid, so let me start with multiple layers of lore. This is a little demoralizing. Why am I so? I feel like I need to sit my ass down. Do you think like me picking it up would be better? Would that hurt less maybe? I'm starting to lose faith. Down. Can somebody look up if there's a chance that this never splits? Because I'm starting to think if that chance is even there a little bit, it's happening to me. One creator on TikTok who she claims that she could make butter at home by shaking a mason jar for 5 minutes. I'm calling cap on that. There's just no way. We've been buttering for around 30 minutes. You're kidding. You know what? I believe you because I've been doing it. She is starting to get a little cottage cheesy. Looking yellow AF. Yay! Do you think in the olden days when girls were like making butter that they would like get all their friends in like a circle and make like and sit around the churners and just talk shit? So I feel like that's what I would do. Do I want to scrape it? Okay. We're definitely separating. Oh, do you guys see all that buttermilk in there? It needs to look gross. Okay, well, we're kind of already gross, but like grosser. I'll happily get there. I feel like we're starting to congeal. Guys, this is cool. Fucking took forever, but. Wow. How crazy is it that we went from like a really thick goopy liquid to now to then like a whip, and now we're getting to like, oh my gosh, guys, it's starting to stick together. Oh my gosh. Wait a damn minute. Looking gnarly. And now we're back at freaking liquid. Holy shit, guys. So I can make freaking pancakes or something at some point. Okay, ew. So it's, I don't mean ew. Like, that's not ideal. Ew. Whoa. Quoi? Good luck on the churning today. Thank you. The churning is just about over, I think. Okay. Here she is. I think that's what I do. And then I squeeze it into the, I don't know. And then I mean, I feel like she's pretty good, right? This is purely off of memory. Just if this wasn't obvious, I don't know if what I'm doing is correct. Part of me just wants to just call it. Ball of butter is kind of crazy. I want to see what she looks like. What's her cross section look like? Whoa! That's kind of awesome. Okay. Love that sound. Okay. Perfect. So the first butter I want to make is like your perfect steakhouse steak butter. So I'm thinking herbs, right? Herbs, salt, duh, and some horseradish? Is that crazy? Well, the thing I'm a little nervous about is I'm kind of pulling these ideas from like a bunch of different places in my memory. What I don't know is like if there's any specific techniques or things that I need to do in order to make sure that the butter isn't fucked with. I don't think so, Rune. I wish. I wish. Because then, although I could get kind of nasty if I wanted to make like one person the elephant. That'd be so funny. Make one person the pig. Now we have this. We should also add the salt, I think. I don't know why I feel like some major chemical reaction is going to occur where it messes up my butter that I worked so hard for. I'm thinking kind of a healthy dose of this horseradish. Some rosemary. Should I do the basil? I just realized I never added it. Godspeed. Why, was that a lot? I have never seen such huge basil leaves before in my life. Guys, is this not. Am I crazy? That's a big basil leaf. The Sue is here. I know, I smell like butter. All right. So our horseradish is already in there. We've got Italian parsley. We've got a little cilantro. Adding some basil. We've got rosemary. I feel like that's pretty substantial for herbs. What do you think? Hmm? Oh, this is going to be kind of difficult, I think. It's definitely easier than it was earlier. Oh, that horseradish smell is something. Roll it into a log. I love that idea, Timmy. Let's do it. Have you tried it? No. I think what we're going to do, because I'm going to do a couple of flavors, right? I'm going to try the miso one. I am going to do a dessert one. So, ooh, wow. Looks like I know what I'm doing, kind of. And so I'm going to let this kind of harden in the freezer, I think. And then we can cut it into coins for later. So this one is going to be like a savory umami inspired butter. I have some fun things. Ooh, there's something else I didn't think of earlier, but now I'm excited to try. I don't taste. I know that's a horrible. So first thing I'm adding is honey. Ooh, that looks like good. Wait, why do I just want this now? That looks yummy. What do you guys think? Is that far too much? I don't think so. I know I asked you, but like, it's gonna be yummy. We're coming together. Looks like eggs, kinda. Um, Carrot cake! Yeah, I'm gonna try carrot cake. But, okay, the thing about this though is, okay, maybe I don't need 3 carrots though. So, I was gonna just put straight up raw carrot in there. That'll be fine, right? Imagine this though. Imagine you just have a steaming plate of buttermilk pancakes and you have this spiced carrot butter to put on top of it. Oh, yeah. A decent amount of vanilla. Some allspice. feel like allspice is kind of strong. And then I'm going to make the vanilla do a heavy amount of the lifting here. Or cinnamon. Oh, maybe this is far too much cinnamon because it's looking a little dry. I don't know if this butter looks that great. Yeah, good enough. There she is. I just realized this is probably actually the most nerve-wracking part of this whole stream. Because I have no idea about the crumb on this sourdough loaf I made. I don't know if it's going to be good. It looks good. How's the crumb? Okay, she's sticking. Already not that good of a sign. Oh, whoa. That's interesting. Interesting. Let me put you down so you can get a front row seat to the crunch. Oh gosh, I'm worried. How is it? How does she look? It looks great. It looks great. Yes. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's get to cutting. I was gonna say me in middle school, anyone else, but I feel like I've been so positive all stream. This little slice of dough or bread. Okay, I'm gonna slice it into 3. These loaves are cutting a lot better than previous ones I've made. Okay, so what should we try first? I feel like we have to go in order of what like miso butter is like the appetizer. And then for our main, we're having our steak butter. And then we have our dessert, you know? We're going to do our hot honey miso butter. It has ginger, green onions, miso paste. Ooh. Chili crunch. Kind of a lot of butter, but if you were here for earlier in the stream, you know that does not bother me. Yum. Here's that first miso butter. Taste testing. Mmm. Mmm. That's really good. Oh, and there's honey in there too. It's very yummy. Next, we have our herb butter. This is I'm going to call this a steakhouse butter because it has everything I would want on a steak. It's got herbs, butter, salt. I don't think this one actually has salt by accident. Let me add some on top. It also has secret ingredient, horseradish. Excuse me. I already offered it to you. Okay, no. No. Sir? Yes, on like a baked potato. Oh my gosh. Pull yourself together. He knocked it on the floor? No, he tried. I had it in my hand the whole time. He might have knocked something else off, though. I don't know. This one, the thing I'm nervous about is that the raw carrot is going to be weird. I'm nervous that like maybe I should have cooked it. I think now that I'm sitting here, I kind of wish I had cooked it in like and made a brown butter. Ooh, carrot cake butter. Okay, let's give it a try. Oh, not you. Excuse me. No. I don't think you can have this. I think this has spices in it you're not supposed to eat. Yum. I'm so proud of this. I think this is the thing. I think we made a thing, you guys. I think we made this is gonna be the next trending Instagram food. I'm calling it now, carrot cake butter. Unless it's already a thing. I haven't seen it. This on carrot cake even. Wait. Did I just make frosting? On that note. But I'll be here next week.